Tiafo, Mammy Moakwaba and found Brian GCN pages so meeting Eddie Adjoa Sechi. Mr. Subscribe to my channel, found some ya bell on the so. Ube a notification and some echo or may be open your beauty and answer open your beer share a GCN page. I have the in some trouble a Ghana any day a bro titrupa a politics monsem any day a bro waha. Na Afia Schwarzenegger and na okase na den sem na Afia eka. Afia Schwarzenegger say His Excellency Nana Akoffu Addo or ye innocent or by so beboa or mind Ghana keke. Enti no yenja na nado na onya na somdwe. Na de ti Afia Schwarzenegger eka say na so che say oda sorry. When we say Ghana celebrities ni bebre e dia toto omo Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and ade omo say #fix the country. His Excellency Nana Akoffu Addo and the MPP fo omo fix it on my Ghana because baby see economy ano nya papa then the Afia Schwarzenegger say sa celebrities ni bi no omo kasa na den e ha omo say on my Ghana you betumi affix your mind Ghana na abeye ya chi say you change your mindset on my Ghana emu nipa na ewo no chi say you change your adwene Afia Schwarzenegger say fuel prices ekosoro and na Ghana fu bebre kasa na sa fuel prices na ekosoro no obu o wa to bi dada e wo ho no omo ebie filling stations na de ade no but omo atwen ananado or the prices ne buy or increase the kakra bi no omo be shoot ne up wanya Ghana fo police ni etumi edge bribe baby anokware dan na we ye afi ho e di nkontompo ahye ho wanya Ghana fo ye nsuban ene obebre ekoso wo maimu a enye frem enti se mo post #fix the country #fix our country e den Ghana fo mo pese mo kire nanado onye hwe because inipa bebre ba e wo maimu nanado nko a entimi e manage ye nyina entimi e hwe ye nyina so because ye mofra ye change your mindset enye be bia ye ya enye ye no ye change no na John Dumelo so ye hu say we post ni social media handle say fix our country and I say fix the country. Now any person bisa John Dumelo say, hey John, you get nerves. You get nerves. Is that Obekasa about doomsor? Hey John, yes okay because Ebekaya. I bring this for more power. Doomsor, air cost for Ankasa Uchocho Mucho, Yvonne Nelson. Demonstration, doomsor demonstration wa Ghana Hano. Inyanentisa only no crying kasa, only no crying na fine. Na mo abrese NDC abrese doomsor na me yes papa e say e kan opare no. Though as say MPP for mo fix doomsor na e koso do but no crying so the one no waka. NDC doomsor na MPP doomsor no. Enso so kakra wo. NPP then the light need to be just kakra but NDC do no dey nye but any so che say MPP for na mo fix doomsor na e say mo fix but John Numelo. De nye say doomsor do be kebi kra. Enti Afia Schwarzenegger and now or they send to George said Nanado innocent, so we should leave him alone because on Jesus Christ we were to saving or my God and probably by your meaning now just our man said no yes say or my liberty as son unless any family will be change your mindset send a mouth be break it is true because Ghana for young say boy hey titru pa shanty read na ye wo no o ka say o kwa kochade opa enipa 1 2 3 to aso bisa almost on the same thing bisa we say 50 pesos we say 60 we say 80 pesos I mean yana kasa na boy mo but of course government no so so yana family no de boa o my Ghana na o my no 8 points in same way in Afia Schwarzenegger e de atodwa
Femi kan we na makopa aduane bi edi a men kan bi mkopim bi o chena no we all claim to be Christians but obi akota dia wo 100% interest Obi wo nyema go ya tutu petrol mu nne o goods no order that tutu petrol mu nne pe no atutum your body ho po without fear or favor your body ho obi ti ko tade 3 cities not the budget 12 cities not in the trust this aka say ewi ase ya di o no me mo ya di o we are not na say dem ye shiva wo fix your mindset oh my Ghana na be ya eyeye nyina yesu kura bedi yeso na musuma ye kwame ne kwamo a ye bebre ye fix your fucking mindset fix it your mindset. When you go to our government hospitals, the doctors will give you card so that you come to their private hospital. For some what in the and called trauma and you need chance in the Wasumba Jono. Our health workers, most of them are thieves. And Panumuya, and no movia. COVID vaccine, ya cost Rabasi and I am going. Now, Quabnane, I am a name, Sapia. Now, Osirage Hospital. Why not times and tribune no tongue? Fix it. Obviously, I and then color a Siadia when we are some battle. Nana do buy and no Musiadia of Flagstaff House. Me a fish was nigger. Na mini baby take. I single-handedly. Enemy now for one to now. SC orphanage. SC school my orphanage. Because we are generational thinkers. Think. Fix. Politicians in Ghana crunch because we have politicized everything. The most hated person in Ghana is the Afia Schwarzenegger because I say it as it is. And we don't want the truth. We do not want the truth. That is why politicians are taking advantage of us and politicizing everything. Doing so a national problem. And then this is a problem, and MPP problem. Galam say a national problem. And then this is the problem, the MPP problem. What you say? But no crying painting. You mentioned this MPP and year coba. Minia, Savoya, why didn't say won't you bribe? Namia, my didn't say me to bribe. Now, because you and I didn't say to bribe. I bribe and I do corona fast on it will end. Fix your attitude. Obi ye born in a police chin a pet. Nane mammy a phone. No a friend P. Honorable. Unfair commander. In Timra and ye Juma Wagana. Emra. COVID that bay and I'm yet to interest you. It's mean call our brain basis as a braha. NTTU forward tradition dear. Omujina Kwano. Now drive a beer do no discussion. The license more the amount. But you're not another than the Bayana. It is very good that we've all decided to fix the country, but it starts with fixing our mindset and attitude. Ghana, we are member of parliament. Don't care. Dear, why yet? A long serving member of parliament is Honorable H.A. Mensah. A year back, about constituency no one quiet to Obama. Yet to Obama MP say, Omekwe Yana. Upebibi, our government agency. Now we need boss now. Forget it. Let's fix our attitude. Oka says for triangle see a chain and we and family boom. Fix your attitude. Fix it. We are Juma ECG. Call our customer care center. Yeah, for our womfa. When him say apia. Fix your attitude. Fix it.